Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Enshlie. Welcome. Today's video is going to be on this Shigo kind of lime green smoky eye. I love doing smoky eyes and my favorite color is green, so I felt like I had to do it for some reason today. So that's what I came up with today. I would definitely wear this all the time. Like, I'm just crazy like that and I love crazy colors, so that's just me, you know. In today's video, I'm going to show you some tips and tricks on how you can do a smoky eye. Something like this, but you can also change up the colors and you can kind of figure out the smoky eye while I do it. In today's video, I'm actually doing a giveaway as well. I'm going to be giving away this Take Me to Brazil palette, which I'm super excited about. I know you guys will love it. Stick through all the way to the end. Make sure you subscribe and hit that bell notification button and you'll knock 2 of the 4 things you have to do in order to win this giveaway. So go ahead and do that, and if you want to learn how to achieve this cute little look, please keep watching. The first color I'm going to go in with is this MAC eyeshadow in the shade NYLON, and I'm just going to use this to highlight my brow. Tap on the ALCHEMIST palette and I'm going to use this green shade right here to highlight the brow as well. The next color I'm going to go in with is this Mochi eyeshadow from Sugar Pill. I want to keep blending up in here. So up in here, up in here. So you want to make sure you don't have an oval, you have more of a circle. So in order to do that, I'm just making sure I blend in this middle part and blend upwards. Here I'm using the Take Me to Brazil palette next, and I'm going to use this shade right over here and mix it in with this one as well. I am going to be giving this palette away towards the end of the video, so just keep watching in order to find out how to win that BH Cosmetics. Let me tell you, I love color. It's one of my favorite things to do. Like, I would totally go out like this. I really don't care. And the BH Cosmetics palette is so amazing for that, and it's only like $13, so definitely worth it. To darken up the crease just a little bit, to give it some contrast, I'm going to go in with this one right here. Okay, so now for the next part. To darken up the look, of course, you always want to use an gel liner. I would recommend. I'm using the INGLOT 77 gel liner. And I'm just going to pat that onto the lid, and then we're going to blend it in. This takes a lot of time, so just be aware of that. And I'm just going to use a flat shader brush right here. So just grab a little. Try to bring that into the center and not drag it out too much. So I kind of want to stop right here, like right there. And you don't exactly want to bring it all the way up to where your crease starts. You see right there? You want to leave like a little line. My eyes are so freaking different. It's like I learned how to do it on this eye, but then I go to this one and it's a whole different story. Alright, so you want to leave that bit of space right there, so you can blend that all together. Now the next step I want to do is use my Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to use the color, what is this color? I don't know what this color is. It's just the blackest one in the palette. So this guy right here. And I'm kind of going to tap that on and then blend it upward. And then I want to go ahead with that same shade and blend that in. This is going to take the longest. Don't be afraid of that line right there, like the separation. When you keep blending, it just blends all together. And then you just want to pack the black in this corner right here. I'm going in between this black shade and this guy right here. And now I'm going to go ahead and grab those two greens and bring it down. We are going to be cleaning up this look, so it doesn't matter if you make a huge mess. And we may be losing a part of it too, but we're going to blend that all in later on. Before I go back in with the black down here, and we want to make sure we tightline and also underline your eye. Actually going to go in with the green instead, the darker one. I look like Shigo. What the heck? And now I just want to use that Alchemist palette again to highlight my brow bone and my inner corner as well. I want to use a lip pencil in order to highlight my inner corner. I'm going to use this Double Decker Lashes Mascara but I'm going to go in with my Nicole Guerrero lashes. I think these are called 143. I already put my lashes on and I did the rest of my face off camera. If you want to see how I usually do my face, it's just the same technique. You can watch one of my other videos. I always do it in all of my other videos. And then to highlight, I just used the green shade from the Alchemist palette, which is the green one right here. So I'm going to go in with the Tarte Festival Liquid Lipstick. Alright, so that's it for today's look. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I have a giveaway for you guys. I'm super excited. You guys know I love giveaways and you guys love it as well. So in today's giveaway, I'm actually going to give away a Take Me to Brazil palette. In order to enter this giveaway, all you have to do is subscribe, hit that bell notification button so that you get notified every time I post a video. 3, like this video, and 4, make sure you comment down below a little heart and you will automatically be entered into my giveaway. So good luck to everybody. I hope you enjoyed this look. It is a little bit crazy, but it's something that I love to do and I will totally wear outside. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.